I started my career with Business Objects Development Center India. Actually, as a fresher, Business Objects Development Center India recruited me and they put me into their data scientist and data analyst development. During that period of time, Business Objects took over by the SAP Labs. I spent almost 7 years in SAP Labs working for their product development of data scientist and data analyst. Then I switched my career and I joined Larsen and Toubro L&T. L&T is the organization which actually introduced me to the various data scientist products like Tableau, Power BI, then ClickView. After spending 3 years over there, I switched my career again and I joined AT&T America. I was located in New Jersey, South Amboy, quite near to New York. My main work over there is business intelligence solution architect, and I work for Tableau and ClickView together. Slowly, I started working with Tableau and Power BI also. But Tableau was all over my journey over there in AT&T. Tableau was the main tool. After spending almost 4 years over there, because I returned back to India. So when I decided to return back to India for my personal dreams and commitment, AT&T gave me this offer that go to India but work still for AT&T. I'm still working for AT&T from past 4 years, and I'm still it's like a work from home kind of job, and I'm in India working for US shift from home. So it is work from home. So that's the reason I accepted that offer. Apart from that, I'm a trainer from almost 13 years and I trained almost 4,000 plus students till now, online and offline both. I'm a certified Scrum Master. I'm a certified Business Objects Professional. I'm a certified Tableau Professional. I'm a certified Tableau Associate. I'm a certified Tableau Desktop Specialist. So this is about me. Now, which job is highly paid job in America? These questions always come into the person's mind when they want to learn a tool or a technology. So instead of blindly going forward to any technology, my suggestion is go to Google. Okay, Google, because Google is the father of all search engines. So right over here, top 25 jobs in America. Can you see? The first one is data scientist. In this entire lecture of half an hour, I will show you everything with a proof. It should not happen like Sandeep is a data scientist. That's why he is saying that data scientist is the highly paid job. Data scientist is the highly paid job because it is coming from a big organization, Glassdoor and CNBC Research. CNBC is the media partner and Glassdoor is a research and analytical area. If I go and click the Glassdoor website, 2019, this year entirely goes to data scientist. What happened at the year 2018? It was again data scientist. Can you see? What happened at the year 2017? You will find it was again data scientist. 2016, you will find it was again data scientist. And 2015, you will find it was something else, like physician assistant. So 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 4 years, continuously data scientist is the high paying job in America right now. Then what is the reason that people are actually following different other tools and technology? Because of no research and blindly follow the crowd. So data scientist is the highly paid job in America. Now, data scientist This job profile is divided into two areas: programming and non-programming. So if you are good in programming in Java or .NET kind of, then you can learn Python, R, or machine learning. But if you are not from the programming background, okay, if you are from the testing background, or if you are from the non-technical background, if it's your dream to come to the IT industry, then tool-based is the best way. Tool-based is the best way to open your door of IT industry. Tool-based, tool-based, tool-based means Tableau, ClickView, Power BI, SAP BIBO. They all are tool-based area of data scientist. Now, data scientist. So we are concentrating on the tool-based area of data scientist over here. Now, tool-based area, because programming is not a cup of tea of all the person, because if you want to have a programming knowledge, you should have your computer science degree with you. You should have your education based on it. If you want to move to IT industry, if you want your career to move on with it, if you are in IT industry but in some other domain where there is no programming available, Tableau is the tool where you should focus, because this is the niche area of data scientist. Now, data scientist is the umbrella terminology. Who are data scientists? Data scientists are those people who play around with the data, bring the interesting pattern for an organization so that entrepreneurs can take the decision on top of it, and that those decisions can help organization to move forward. So data scientists are those people who play around with the data, bring the interesting pattern for an organization so that organization people or entrepreneurs can take the decision on top of it, and that will help you to grow their business. One of the main area of data scientist is business intelligence. Business intelligence. What is business intelligence? What is business intelligence? So if I go for an interview, or if you go for an interview and someone asks you, what is business intelligence? As per bookish language, business intelligence is taking raw data from database, turning that data into information, in the form of accessible and readable reports, so that people can make use of those reports to make tactical or analytical decisions. Now, as per bookish language, this is what business intelligence definition is. But if I want to explain a layman that what is business intelligence, let's assume someone who is very new to IT industry come to you and ask you that what is business intelligence? How can you explain that? Let's talk about an organization like AT&T. AT&T as an organization, data can come from LAN, data can come from internet, data can come from manual data entry, data can come from various other sources. We gathered the data from the various sources. And we create a warehouse. Like we have a shoe warehouse where we keep the shoes. We have a clothes warehouse where we keep the clothes. The same way we have data warehouse where we keep the data. So let me call this data warehouse as data warehouse 1. Now, we cannot do the reporting on top of this data warehouse 1 because it consists junk data. So what I need to do, I need to rectify this. So to rectify this, you need a tool called ETL tool. What is the full form of ETL? ETL. E for extract, T for transform, and L for load. Extract, transform, and load. Now, that means you extract the data from here, transform it as per your report requirement, and load it into the another warehouse. Now you have two warehouses, one prior to ETL and one post to ETL. Now on top of this, we are going to create different visualization, different graphs, different charts, different reports, different dashboards. Tableau falls under this area where we create different kind of graph, where we create different kind of chart. Got it? Clear? And this is the Tableau's area. This is the Tableau's area. Now, this entire journey from here to here is a business intelligence. Now, let's look into my definition, which I wrote over here in Notepad. I hope this will help you now. Can you see? What is BI? BI is taking a raw data from the database, turning that data into information in the form of accessible and readable reports so that people can make use of those reports to make tactical or analytical decisions. Perfect. I hope now when you go for an interview and someone asks you what is business intelligence, now you can give your answer straightforward with proper definition and explanation. Now let's move on. Business intelligence, this terminology, business intelligence, these two terminologies are introduced by an organization called Gartner in the year 1980. Gartner is the first organization which coined the term business intelligence in late 1980. Now, you know what? Gartner every year Gartner creates a product, Gartner create a magic quadrant for the different products. Gartner create magic quadrants for different products. Gartner create the entire IT industry, data scientist and business intelligence product in four parts. And Gartner give the name it as leaders, then visionaries, niche players, and challengers. Now, if you really want your career to move ahead, never concentrate on challengers, never concentrate on niche players, never concentrate on visionaries. Always concentrate on leaders. Whichever tools are available in the leader, okay, you need to make sure that the tool which you are learning, the tool which you are working right now should be a part of leaders, because entire job market, all the service-based organization, all the clients, everyone follow these leaders. So let's see which is the leader of Gartner Magic Quadrant. So I write down Gartner Magic Quadrant for 2019. Before I move forward to 2019, let's move on with 2018. Can you see over here, 2018, Tableau and Microsoft are quite near to each other in the leaders quadrant with ClickView, but Tableau is the leader of, because Tableau is actually leading with a small margin. Okay. Now, if I move forward to 2017, I want to backtrack and I want to see that where the Tableau lies and what was the history of Tableau. Can you see Tableau and Microsoft again quite near to each other? Tableau is little higher. If I say 2016, after 2018, 2017, this is the time to see 2016. 2016, can you see Tableau is again a leader. 2015, you will find it was Tableau which was leader with high margin. 2014, you will find Tableau again a leader. 2013, you will find it was Tableau which actually enters the market at that time. So 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 5 years continuously, Tableau lead the IT industry for data scientists. Now, what happened at the year 2019? Now, 2019, because of a brand value, Microsoft is a brand, and this is actually an ego issue for Microsoft to compete with an organization called Tableau, which has only one product called Tableau. Whereas Microsoft has huge number of products. So because of a brand value, Microsoft become higher. But that doesn't mean that Tableau is out. Tableau is still in the leader area. And Tableau knows about it, that because of the brand value, this happened. Now, because of this reason, 2019 mid July and August, okay, a historical step took over here in IT industry. Tableau merged with Salesforce. Salesforce is a big giant organization like Microsoft, and Tableau merged with Salesforce. Salesforce bought Tableau with 15.7 whooping $15.7 billion whooping price. Got it? For $15.7 billion whooping price. Can you see? $15.7 billion. And it happened somewhere in June, July, August around. Now, with this, Tableau has a brand now. Tableau is a brand organization with Salesforce. Now, 2020 is going to be again for Tableau. This prediction is quite strong. Now, that is the reason everyone is following Tableau, because Tableau is the leader of Gartner quadrant for almost 6 years. 5 years continuously in first position. This year it is in second position. Now again it is going to be in the first position. But whatever it is, Tableau is always in the leader quadrant from past 6 years. That's amazing. Now, why Tableau is such a nice tool? Let me show you the power of Tableau. Let me open the Tableau software. I think I already opened it. Perfect. So this is the software which we are going to work on. There is no programming area over here. It is just logic based. You need to be very perfect with the logic. But that doesn't mean that it is a very easy tool. You need to work hard. You need to give your time. And believe me, today you don't know anything, but within a month, I'm going to give you that much power that you can easily show your upper intermediate. Why I'm not saying expert? Because expert is your own journey. I can make you upper intermediate, but expert is your own journey. Got it? Now, with this, I'm going to show you the power of Tableau. Tableau can actually create a visualization within 5 seconds, and that is true. Okay, can you see? Just look into this. Within 5 seconds, I'm going to create a visualization in front of you. And can you see over here, within 5 seconds, I create a visualization in front of you, and this is what is Tableau is. Can you see by looking into this map, I can easily say that profit is orange and blue color. Okay, orange is bad and blue is good. The country which are in orange color are in bad profit. The country which are in blue color are good. The country which are in dark blue color are better. By 5 seconds, I create this kind of visualization. From 15 years, I'm into this IT industry. 10 years back, around 2008 and 9, I never believe in my dreams that this kind of tool comes into the market which automatically create the visualization, graph, chart by its own intelligence. Okay, and Tableau is a best example of artificial intelligence. Got it? Clear? Now, now I create this kind of easy diagram in front of you, but Tableau can create more complex things also. If you look over here, I open some visualization in front of you. Can you see here? Orders return is represented by a donut chart. Can you see? And or it is by category, it is by ship mode, and then we have a map. If I click on a particular country, it will give the particular country data. If I click on this country, it will give me this country data. If I click on US, I got US data. If I don't click on anything, I got overall data. So this kind of visualization you can create through Tableau. At the end of the entire course, you are efficient enough to create this kind of visualization. Look over here. This is also a dashboard. You click on a particular country, you can see the country's data in all the charts. You click on a particular country, you got the country's data in a particular charts. So this kind of diagram, more complex than this, okay? If you have more time, you can create this kind of diagram. It is the diagram of Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi's Twitter account. Okay, you can see how many Twitter he account and what are the topic on it. You just click on the Twitter account and you can see only those tweets available which are coming from the particular subject line. At what time? At what time of the hour? At what? Can you see this entire story is created using Tableau? What hour of the day Mr. Modi tweets? What are the top trending hashtags he using Twitter? What are the maximum tweets? Who are the tagged people? And what are the subject line for the specific tweet? Got it? So this is just an example. This kind of complex things you can create using Tableau. I hope I clear your doubts in Tableau. Tableau is a very nice tool. Tableau is a niche technology in data scientist, and I will be happy to teach you Tableau. I hope we will meet soon. Thank you.